The paracrine signaling is a short-distance signaling type that uses the phenomena of simple diffusion to send a signal to the target cells and elicit a response over a short period of time. By definition, paracrine signaling refers to the communication via the release of ligands or chemical messengers between two cells that are in close proximity to each other. The nearness of the cells ensure that the signals diffuses through the cell membrane to reach the target cell. It's like talking to your neighbors, coordinating the activity which you all must carry out together. For that, you must communicate frequently with each other. So, cells that are near to each other uses this type of signaling to send messages and generate a localized response. The continuous communication between neighboring cells or cells in proximity is especially important during development and growth at early stages, because it ensures that a group of cells can send messages to neighboring cells about what cellular identity to take and to develop into. A classic example of paracrine signal is the chemical transmission from a nerve cell to a muscle. The signal from cell causes the muscles to contract because the muscle cells have regions specialized to receive chemical signals from an adjacent nerve cells. That specialized region is a receptor located on the muscle cell surface. It is compatible with the signal and thus can easily receive, recognize, and respond to it. A synaptic signal, which is a chemical signal between two adjacent nerve cells, is also an example of paracrine signaling. The nerve cells propagate fast-moving electrical impulses as signals. When these impulses reach the end of axon of a nerve cell, the signal continues onto a dendrite of the receiving nerve cell by release of chemical ligands called neurotransmitters in the synapse, which is the junction between two nerve cells. The neurotransmitters are transported via diffusion across a very short distance. The small distance between the nerve cells allow the signal to travel quickly, thus enabling an immediate response such as a knee-jerk reflex. So, paracrine signaling was all about sending signals to your neighbors, the immediate, proximate cells around you. What about when you need to send the signal to a far away distance? That is when endocrine signaling comes into play. We'll discuss that in our next section.